Aloha. Today we are checking out the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses that I ordered and had delivered to LensCrafter. So I didn't realize that this was all part of it. But look, the next generation of smart glasses, Ray-Ban Meta, some stuff, more info things, and then we got the main event. Here are our glasses, looking pretty slick. Comes in a slick little cardboard box. We got a pull tab, we're gonna boom. And then look, here we go, listen, call, live stream. Pretty slick right there. And the green light comes on. It's the cameras, spectacles. Pretty slick. Okay, and now for the main event, we're gonna try them on. How they look? Let me know in the comments. All right, aloha. I'll be sharing some footage of this stuff, and it's gonna be cool.